Okay, today I'm heading out to Johnsburg, Illinois to a KLM Builders community called Running Brook Farm. I'm going to be meeting Kim Meyer there, the builder, and we're going to tour his newly completed Harrison Ranch plan. Now, the town of Johnsburg is a quiet community in the northwest suburbs of Chicago. It's actually a little over an hour from Chicago itself. Now, in this area, you'll find all kinds of forest preserves and parks, and of course, you're in the Fox Lake region, so there's a ton of boating and water activities as well. And here's the new model.
Today we're going to tour our new Harrison model. It's a 3-bedroom ranch, split bedrooms, the master suites on one side of the house and the 2 guest suites, and the guest bath is on the opposite side of the house, which people love for privacy. We did this particular model in a modern farmhouse architecture, so the outside is fairly unique. We have black windows on the outside, white siding, and a lot of elements that go with the modern farmhouse architecture, which is a very popular style right now. We also offer this model in 3 or 4 other exteriors for folks who have other preferences. Let's take a walk around and I'll be happy to point out some of the features in our new model. In the foyer of this house, we built this particular model with 10-foot ceilings throughout. We also used 8-foot tall interior doors, which is kind of unique for a ranch. Your normal ceilings in a ranch today will be 8-foot or 9-foot maybe at the tallest. In this particular case, we used 10-foot so we could get our tall doors in. In the staircase to the basement, all of our ranches come with full basements. We did a nice switchback stair here, which people tend to love. You go down a certain amount of treads and you have a landing, and then you go down the rest of the way. We did a shiplap feature on the staircase wall, just a nice accent wall that breaks up the staircase and adds a different color, adds a different architectural element.
And then this is the flex space that is very popular here, right?
Yes, this particular plan comes with 3 bedrooms plus a flex room. The flex room standard. In this case, we're modeling the flex room as a formal dining space. We can close this flex room off and make a private office with sliding barn doors or double French doors. We can also make this bedroom 4 for those folks who need another bedroom on the main level. Again, 10-foot ceilings, and we also, in this case, did a step ceiling. So the lowest point of the ceiling is 10. We popped it up another 8 inches or so, and that gave us a place to give us a nice feature look ceiling, and also add the crown molding around the perimeter of the room and a single crown in the step of the ceiling itself.
Yeah, beautiful millwork in here. And then you have the open space here we're looking at, right?
Yes, it opens to a great room. It's a good-sized great room in this case. I think it's probably 19 by 18 or 19 by 20. We did a big feature window that gives you through views from the entryway all the way through the house to the rear yard. We added a fireplace in this particular plan as an option. We did a split-face marble all the way to the ceiling. This fireplace is unique in that it's a zero clearance gas fireplace. It comes with a automatic push button selector that allows you to choose the flame height, choose the fan speed, and even set a temperature control where the fireplace will cycle on and off. This fireplace is so energy efficient, it'll actually heat the whole main level of the house.
The whole level?
Yes.
Wow. Because it is putting out some good heat here. So
yeah, so we've got several adjustments that are capable on that, so we can turn it up if we want more heat or turn it down if we want less heat, but extremely efficient and a great visual.
And then you have this gorgeous kitchen we're looking at here.
Yeah, in the kitchen we've got a big island that people love. It's a 2-tiered island, the main level with your sink and prep area, and then the upper level for dining. It allows you to set 4 to 6 stools, so you can dine 4 to 6 people on the island itself. It's a great workspace, makes a great triangle for food prep and cooking. We did 2 different cabinet choices in this particular kitchen. We did the perimeter in a white shaker style cabinet that's painted.
Oh, yeah.
And then we did the island in a limestone color, which is more of a gray paint. That's quite popular today where we do a lot of multi-colors in the kitchen. We used all soft close doors and drawers, so all of our drawer boxes are solid wood dovetail drawers. They all have a soft close feature on the doors and drawers. And in this case we used black hardware throughout, again to theme our modern farmhouse.
Yeah. And the backsplash here, what is this?
Yeah, this backsplash that we use in this particular house is a glass and marble. There's 2 materials together. It creates quite a unique look. And the countertops are all quartz. So it's a 3 centimeter thick quartz, nice and heavy. It's a stone with quartz. Unlike granite, you never have to seal it, and it's more stain resistant than granite. Quartz or granite are standard countertops in our kitchens for this model, so they can choose from several different colors. The morning room in this plan is more like a morning sunroom. It's open to the great room and the kitchen. We vaulted the ceiling in this particular case. We did 2 Velux skylights with automatic shades, and there's a push button control for the shades.
That's nice to have.
And then there's windows on all sides of the house, so it's very light and bright. We added a Trex deck to this house, which is a maintenance-free product, and then we included a extruded aluminum rail system that's very strong. Again, is maintenance-free. You'll never have to paint or stain anything on the outside of the deck. The whole exterior of the house in this case is also maintenance-free. Aluminum soffit and fascia. We used a heavy premium vinyl siding, and then smart trim corner boards, which is a product that is also maintenance-free. As you enter the master bedroom of this house, again, you've got a large expansive area, so you can easily fit a king-size bed and any other additional furniture you need. We did a 10-foot ceiling in this room. We also did the optional step ceiling that gave us, again, another feature ceiling and a beautiful place to run our crown molding. We did a 2-piece crown around the perimeter of the room, and then we did a single-piece crown in the step part of the ceiling. Off the master, we have a large walk-in closet here. We did a little bit of a built-in system in this closet that allows you for double hanging in certain areas, so you can get more capacity, but it's a very large closet. Yeah, in the master bath in the Harrison model, we did a pocket door for the entry into the bedroom, and that's nice. That keeps the door out of the way. We also did a beautiful freestanding tub. So you have a separate tub and a separate shower in this particular bathroom.
I like the surround here too that you put around here.
Yeah, we did a beautiful porcelain tile. Porcelain is a material that's much harder than ceramic tile used to be. It also looks exactly like a natural stone or natural marble without the upkeep or maintenance of a natural stone. It's much harder than that, it's much more scratch resistant, and it's waterproof. So it really makes the ideal floor for a bathroom. Another thing we do in all of our master baths is we use tile baseboards in the master bath, so that you don't have water touching the wood where the bathrooms are typically wetter. In the shower, we did a sliding barn door style shower door. We also did a dual action rain head plus a handheld. So very efficient, it gives you the option to do both. We also did a built-in seat in the shower with 2 corner shelves that are also made of quartz. And we did our porcelain tile around the walls as well. We also stock this porcelain tile in 2 finishes. We stock a polished finish and we stock a matte finish. A lot of times we'll put the matte finish on the floor. It's a little more slip resistant, and we'll put the beautiful polished tiles on the walls. All of our garages at KLM, we drywall tape and paint the entire garage. They're usually a little deeper than typically your track builders would make for you, and they're also wider in most cases than a typical track garage. Just makes it more convenient for the owner to get in and get out of their car, and you're able to park 2 cars in here and open the doors without damaging your cars. But the thing people really love is the completed interior finish of the garage. They're always drywall taped and painted. On the opposite end of the house from the master, we incorporate 2 good-sized guest bedrooms. Again, 10-foot ceilings throughout. And in our closets, we do full doors that are cased and jammed rather than a bifold door. So they're much stronger. You'll never have a problem with the hardware or any sagging. So a lot of folks like the double doors for the closets in lieu of the bifolds. The guest bath splits the 2 guest bedrooms. In this case, we did a tub shower combination. We also did a beautiful porcelain tile floor in a different color and porcelain walls around the tub shower. And a nice vanity that's 5 foot wide, so you have a lot of counter space with multiple drawers. And then we did a beautiful quartz countertop on the vanity. All of our homes, whether they be a 2-story or a ranch, come with a full basement at KLM. In this case, we poured a 9-foot deep wall, a solid one-piece concrete wall. So that allows for a higher finished ceiling in the event you're going to finish the basement. A lot of our customers in the ranches will have us finish some portion of the basement from the get-go at the time we're building, or sometimes we'll even come back 2, 3, 4, 5 years later and finish the basement if they want to grow into that space. The other thing we do in all of our homes is we keep all the mechanicals together at one end of the basement or the other. And what that does for a buyer is it allows you to have this large blank canvas to finish this space off and cut it up into different rooms or different spaces, and gives you a lot more flexibility. A lot of builders will take and scatter these appliances everywhere in the basement, and just makes it tougher to ever finish. All of our exterior walls are all 2x6 cavities with heavier bats of insulation, R49s in all the attics, Energy Star windows that have low E and argon gas. We also include direct vent high efficiency 96% furnaces. Even our water heaters are direct vent high efficiency quick recovery. So any one of our homes that are built today will heat and cool much more efficiently and for much less cost than even, like I said, homes that somebody may have bought in 4 or 5 years ago. All of the models at KLM, we currently have 5 ranch models that customers can tour. They're all open every Saturday and Sunday from 11 to 5. We have 4 new ranch models under construction, so by spring they'll be able to tour 9 ranch models and 2 new 2-story models that are under construction. So come out and see us any weekend. Go to our website, klmbuilders.com, and again, tour all the models, because we can build any of the houses in almost any of the neighborhoods on our lot or yours.